Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to sign out or remove Microsoft Teams account. Very simple tips. Couple of days I am facing this problem. Finally, I fix out and I make this video for everyone so you can very easily do this process. Currently, I am working this process on my Mac laptop. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. As a demo perspective, first of all, I open here my Teams account. So look at this here. I have 3 accounts and I want sign in as a different account, but I am not able to sign in. So first of all, I want to remove this 3 accounts and then we can start as a 0 level. First of all, I uninstall the team software and then again install, but still those username are showing here. So that perspective I make this video, so very easily remove this one. Go to the here, click launchpad. So such kind of menu is coming here, then here go to the folder and you need to put it here, this path, library, application support and Microsoft. I already added this command in video description. You just simply copy and put it here and then enter, and here Teams related all informations are available, username, password and storage. You just simply right click, move to trash, delete this folder, even the trash folder also, and after that you need to restart your laptop and your problem is solved. It's very simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.